Preparing for a presentation can feel like a big task, but it's also an awesome opportunity to share knowledge and express creativity. Today, I'm going to share a guide designed to help students step up their presentation game and feel more confident in front of the class. Let's start with Section 1. Before the presentation. Choosing an engaging topic. Picking a topic can be fun. It's great when kids talk about something they love, like a hobby or a cool project they did. When you're into your topic, your presentation naturally becomes more lively and interesting. Research and organizing content. Finding out cool stuff about your topic is like a treasure hunt. Look up information in books or online, but make sure to use websites that are just right for your age. Designing effective visual aids. Making posters or slides can be a blast. Keep things simple. Use big words you can read and neat pictures that show what you're talking about. Rehearsing the presentation. You can try speaking in front of a mirror, recording yourself, or even presenting to your stuffed animals or family. Managing nervousness. It's totally normal to feel a bit jittery before presenting. Take deep breaths or think of something happy to calm those butterflies in your stomach. Now let's move on to Section 2. During the presentation. Confident. Opening. Beginning with confidence sets the tone. Start with something you're genuinely excited about, like an interesting fact or a personal story related to your topic. Clear and measured speech. Speak clearly and at a comfortable pace. Imagine speaking to someone at the back of the room. Engaging eye contact. Look around the room, making brief eye contact with different people. It's like having mini conversations within your presentation. Effective use of visual aids. Visual aids are there to support, not dominate. Use them to highlight key points or explain complex ideas. Engage with the audience. Connect with your audience by asking rhetorical questions, incorporating short activities, or simply showing enthusiasm for your topic. Stay calm and composed. Keeping calm under the spotlight is key. Use techniques like deep breathing or positive visualization. Stand straight. Standing straight improves voice projection and displays confidence. Projecting voice. Being heard clearly is essential. No mouse voices here. Get the message to the room. Impactful conclusion. Ending on a strong note is crucial. Summarize the key points and reiterate the main message. Leave a lasting impression. Finally, let's discuss Section 3. After the presentation. Gathering feedback. Feedback is valuable for improvement. Ask for specific feedback from peers, teachers, or family members. Personal reflection. Reflect on your own performance. Think about what you felt good about and what was challenging. Incorporating feedback. Using feedback effectively is key to growth. Apply constructive criticism to future presentations. Acknowledging effort. Recognize the effort and bravery involved in presenting. Celebrate your hard work and courage, regardless of perfection. Each presentation is a stepping stone towards becoming a more confident and effective communicator. So the next time you're up for a presentation, take a deep breath, embrace these tips, and step confidently onto the stage. You've got this! Good luck with your next presentation!